Hello everyone, this is voltage protect. This voltage protect has working voltage of 222 volts, over voltage of 260 volts, under voltage of 165 volts. With delay time of 3 minutes or 5 seconds, you can adjust it. With the current of 13 amperes, let's put it on the power and I will show you how it works. Our input voltage is around 220 volts, which is the normal working state. The green light means 3 minutes, the red light means 5 seconds. Now the voltage is being output. So the fan is working. Let's test the overall voltage protect to increasing the voltage about 260 volts. It will disconnect the power automatically. Let's bring back the normal working stage, which is around 213 volts. It will enter delay time of 5 seconds before bring back the electricity. Let's test the under voltage protect mode. Decreasing the voltage below 165 volts, it will automatically disconnect the power. Basically, the use of this voltage protect is to protect our home appliance from unstable electricity flow, which can damage our home appliance such as the fridge, TV, laptop from unstable electricity. Thank you for choosing our products. Have a good time.